It's really nice. Like, whoosh. Hi J Crew, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the new Huda Beauty highlighter palette to share with you guys. I'm pretty excited about it because it looks really good. It looks like it's perfect for deeper skin tones. I did swatch it earlier and I did love it so far. I haven't put it on my face yet, so I don't know how it's gonna look on here. First off, I'm gonna show you guys the palette. This is what it looks like here. It has Huda Beauty's face on it. It has Huda's face on it, and it kind of like reflects almost. It looks really cool. Her designs and her packaging and graphics are always really nice. So it says 3D highlighter palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has 4 shades in here. It says Prep, which is the shade called Barbados. It also has Set, which is Maldives, and a sculpt powder called Aruba, and a flush called Bora Bora. So I'm just gonna read the description of the actual palette, what it's intended for on Sephora's website. So it's a highlighter palette with 2 different textures, a pearlescent creamy shade and 3 light catching pressed pearl hues. So the creamy shade is this one here called Barbados, and it is supposed to create a layering effect to highlight in to amplify your glow. So the first step is to prep by applying Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So Barbados is a cream. I'm going to use a beauty blender to apply it to my cheekbones wherever I want to apply it. I'm going to take a little bit of the color here. This is it here. It looks really nice and golden. You could actually just wear this by itself and you would be like good. Step 2 is to set this with Maldives, which is a little bit more champagne than Barbados. So we're gonna take Maldives. It's supposed to help it pop, which it definitely does. As you can see, it helps it pop a lot more. I did use a lot of products, so you guys are seeing like the extra version of this, but you don't have to use as much product as I did. You could definitely tone it down if you want to as well, by going over it with a beauty blender. Just kind of tone it down if you need to. Layering the cream with a powder definitely will amplify your highlight. Now, I want to try Maldives by itself because it is the highlighter, powder highlighter, which I usually go for a powder highlight. I just want to try it by itself to see what it would look like. It looks really pretty. It's super pigmented. It looks really nice. Don't mind my big pimples. They're like taking over my life, but that's okay. I've had acne forever to the point where I don't even care anymore. I usually have very tiny acne. Like everywhere on my face I have little tiny acne. I forget what it's called, like micro something. And once in a while, or like every now and again, I get big ones, or sometimes I'll have a big one for like months and it'll go to like a different part of my face. Like I'll have this big huge one for like 3 months, and next thing you know it's like somewhere else, but like same size. So this is the highlighter by itself, without the creamy base. As you can see, it's a lot more pigmented. It stands out a lot more with the creamy base than it does on its own. I would wear it on its own most likely. If I was going out for like the night and I wanted to stay on longer, I would definitely pair it with this because this is intense. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and sculpt with Aruba. So Aruba is supposed to go under your cheekbones to add dimension and shape. It kind of seems like a bronzing powder. So I'm going to take this big brush here, and I'm just gonna, you know, tap that in here. It's Aruba, and it's supposed to go under your cheekbones, so kind of like down here. It's kind of basically a bronzer, I would say. I'm gonna put some on my forehead. This is like actually a nice bronzer. It's really nice. Like, whoosh. It has some golds to it, some brown, bronziness. Okay, it looks pretty nice. Without doing anything much, you know, I feel like you get a beautiful glow. Actually, so I'm gonna try to put this on my nose do my nose highlight with this because I feel like it looks super natural and it might, you know, it work. Yeah, I like it. It looks really nice. It looks really natural, almost like bronzy. Really, really good. I'm going to put this also in my inner tear duct. Well, actually, I want that to be a little brighter, so I'm going to use Maldives because I like that to be bright. I'm always tired because I get like 3 hours of sleep every night because, you know, toddlers. Well, I don't even have, I barely have toddlers anymore. Like my kids are, they're like adults already. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway, so I just add that to the inner corner. So Bora Bora is supposed to go on your cheeks for a healthy glow. So I guess it's kind of like the blush situation going on here. So I'm going to take this blush brush from Blush. This is not a blush brush, actually. It's a contour brush from Sigma, but I'm going to use it as a blush brush. So I'm going to take Bora Bora and just kind of put that on my cheeks. So that was the final color, so that was the final shade, which is kind of like a blush. It kind of gives you a beautiful blushy glow. And this is the entire face with the palette, which I actually really like this. This is like the perfect bronzy glow, which is the name of the palette. And it looks really, really nice. It's definitely three-dimensional. You look like... I will for sure be wearing the bronzer shade Aruba on a daily basis. Barbados for nighttime, mixed with Maldives by itself on a daily basis. And Bora Bora is the only shade that I probably wouldn't use as frequently. Whenever I wanted extra glow or extra bronziness, I would definitely throw Bora Bora into my routine because it gives you that beautiful three-dimensional look, which looks so good. I'm going to swatch them really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. This is Barbados, so it's a cream color, cream formula. Then this is Maldives, it's the powder. These feel really nice and pretty buttery. This is Aruba here. And then this is Bora Bora. So these are the 4 shades. They look really good, as you can see. And I love this palette. I definitely am super happy about it. I really wanted this palette. As soon as I saw it, I knew I needed this palette in my life. It doesn't bring out too much texture. I do have texture already, but it doesn't make it extra crazy looking, if you know what I mean. Sometimes highlighters could really make it look extra bad, but this one I feel like looks really nice. It actually like keeps everything together. It doesn't exaggerate anything on my face, which is really good. So those are my final thoughts on the palette. Should you get it? I definitely think you should. So anyways, you guys, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.